Hello, this is Jason with Fluke. One question we get asked is, why is a battery tester an important part of a maintenance routine for a UPS system? In critical systems such as communications and safety systems, early identification of battery failure means the battery can be replaced without suffering any downtime. So testers like the Fluke BT521 battery tester have the ability to make measurements such as voltage, as well as internal resistance and strap resistance measurements, which can indicate early stage battery failure or installation problems. And the Fluke software has the ability to show us that information visibly, as well as we can store that and create reports that we can track over time, and it keeps a historic database that others can use and see. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. This has been Jason with Fluke, and see you later.